Take a ride in the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, LED headlights, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into